The recent return of SpaceX's Crew-8 mission has not only captured the attention of space enthusiasts but also underscored NASA's commitment to astronaut safety and health monitoring following extended periods in microgravity. On October 25, 2024, the Crew Dragon spacecraft successfully splashed down in the Atlantic Ocean at 3:29 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 7:29 GMT. This successful return marked the conclusion of a significant mission for the crew, consisting of 4 astronauts, NASA's Matthew Dominick, Michael Barratt, Jeanette Epps, and Alexander Grebenkin from Russia's space agency Roscosmos. Following the splashdown, the crew was promptly taken to a local hospital, Ascension Sacred Heart Pensacola, located near their landing site. NASA officials stated that this precautionary measure was taken out of an abundance of caution after the astronauts underwent standard recovery checks. While 3 of the crew members were cleared to return home shortly after, 1 astronaut was reported to be in stable condition and remained in the hospital for additional observation. During a post-splashdown briefing, NASA officials described the recovery process as nominal, emphasizing that the splashdown itself had gone smoothly. The astronauts' entry into Earth's atmosphere and the subsequent splashdown were conducted without any major issues, although officials did note minor irregularities with the Dragon capsule's smaller drogue chutes and its larger main parachutes. These types of irregularities are not uncommon and are typically addressed in the extensive post-mission evaluations that NASA conducts to ensure the continued safety and reliability of their spacecraft. Richard Jones, the Deputy Program Manager for NASA's Commercial Crew Program at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, expressed relief and satisfaction regarding the crew's condition during the briefing. He stated, "The crew is doing great," and explained that they would undergo comprehensive medical checks aboard the recovery vessel before making their way back to Houston. Houston, often referred to as Mission Control in the space community, is where astronauts receive additional care and rehabilitation after their missions. The Crew-8 mission itself was particularly noteworthy, lasting an impressive 235 days aboard the International Space Station, ISS. This duration slightly exceeds the typical mission length, which ranges from 180 to 210 days. The extended stay was largely due to difficulties in finding suitable weather conditions for splashdown amid the tumultuous hurricane season. Despite the extended duration, this mission is not unprecedented. Many astronauts have spent longer periods aboard the ISS, with some even exceeding a year in space. NASA's long-standing experience with long-duration space missions has led to the development of numerous countermeasures designed to protect astronaut health. Each crew member is required to participate in about 2 hours of daily exercise, which helps mitigate the muscle atrophy and bone density loss commonly associated with microgravity. Additionally, astronauts engage in weekly mental health consultations with trained physicians to ensure their psychological well-being is monitored and supported. Returning to Earth can be particularly challenging for astronauts, who experience various physical and psychological strains after spending extended periods in microgravity. The readjustment process often involves personalized rehabilitation programs tailored to the individual needs of each astronaut. While it may take several months for astronauts to fully regain their normal physical capabilities, many can resume basic activities, such as driving, within a few weeks post-mission. In the context of space travel, the Crew-8 mission's successful splashdown and the careful precautions taken by NASA highlight the agency's unwavering dedication to astronaut well-being both during and after their missions. The successful completion of this mission contributes to the growing body of knowledge regarding human endurance in space, paving the way for future missions, including those targeting longer stays on the Moon or even Mars. The Crew-8 mission serves as a testament to the capabilities of modern space travel and the rigorous safety protocols that accompany such endeavors. As the world continues to look toward the stars, missions like Crew-8 are crucial for gathering data, advancing technology, and ensuring the health and safety of astronauts in the exciting and challenging environment of space. If you have any further questions or would like more details on specific aspects of the Crew-8 mission, NASA's safety protocols, or the science of long-duration space travel,